Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the paper bookmark flower. Let's go! We need two paper squares. Fold the bottom corner to the upper one. Fold the right and left corners to the top. Unfold and fold the top down. Fold it again and insert both corners into the pocket. How to make this flower I've shown earlier. The link in the description. Use glue to connect them together. The bookmark is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.